Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today, we will discuss how to register remote Vario 150 without using barcode ID. So for remote Vario 150 registration, there's two ways, guys. Could use the old remote and you can also use barcode IDs. Well, for video here we discuss who uses the remote. And without barcode ID, the first step, we open first. Cover on the battery. After the battery cover is open, looking for a socket like this. Then we pull it out and put in socket or that has been provided. Well, before being clipped here, make sure the remote. We test. The remote control is still in use. On or on. The new remote control is turned off. For how to turn on and off, hold on until the green light and press hold again until the red light na. And first for the original remote we on first. So the lights are green. After the remote, original light green. And the new remote has a red light. Then we jumper to positive battery. After we jumper, press the starter button. Turn off the original remote and turn on the new remote from red to green. Then turn the knob to on. Notice flashing indicator light for by 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're done, turn it off. Position to off and pull out Jumerin. And let's test. And this is already working, guys, the new remote. And this is the old remote. So the old remote is on dead. So we turn on and we test. Works. Well, like that way. New remote registration on Vario 150 motor. For those of you who are interested, remote like this, the link is there in the bottom description. And remote, I got this jumper cable like this, guys, so you don't have to make. Because we have provided. Okay, thank you. We connect the video at another time.
Today we will discuss how to register remote